Hello. So this is an unexpected video. I was not planning to do this video tonight. Tonight I have September 4 and but because of the recent activities on my account, I thought I would probably better do a video about this because it will gonna save some people out there who are serious about dropshipping. Okay, so and in a case if you know somebody who is still skeptical about eBay dropshipping, manual dropshipping without promotions, share this video with them. Okay, so what's the deal today? I took a video this morning already about the spikes here, what happened here, right? Let me show you what I mean. Last 31 days. If you haven't seen my previous video from yesterday, go and check it out. By the end of this video or somewhere we're gonna be that one. Let me just first address the point. What's the alert? What's so urgent here? What is why you need to listen me carefully, guys, if you are serious about the doing manual dropshipping on eBay. Look, I will show you the point first. Let me go and switch here today. Okay, today. Oh, this generate report. Okay, so now you see what happened today. Today, report for September 4, total sales 4,300, 4,300 total sales. This is a little bit too much. This is, yeah, I said so. This is a little bit too much for one day because you see, and my account is probably on alert. I have to do something really. I have to make some really serious steps here. I will explain later what's the deal here because I have been doing this once. I don't want to mess up with my account. This is training account, even it's not my real account, but this training account. This is close to big danger now. Why? Let me just back up a little bit and please listen to me. Okay, so let me change back the dates here where it was. I'm not very familiar with this hub stuff because I never use it so much, so it's kind of like last 31 days. Okay, generate report, and then we are here. Okay, so what can we see here? You see what's the dangerous here, what's the alert, and what's the urgency. I have to do something. I have to stop my sales actually. Yeah, I said you heard it right. I have to stop my sales. Otherwise, you see, the spike is coming too big. It's going uncontrollable. It's a little bit too much. Guys, for some of you, probably it sounds like a nonsense. Andrew, why would you stop your sales? Guys, this one here, okay, what you see here, 4,300 per day. This is a little bit too much for the level where I am with this account. Considering that I started new account here, okay, it was what? It was June 1st when I started this account. July 1st, 1 month. August 1st, 2 months. September 1st, 3 months. Okay, great. I'm not the newbie anymore. I am even, I'm not only not the newbie, but I am a top rated seller. Where it is, it's not on this side here, somewhere else you can see. Okay, as I said, I'm not very familiar with this hub stuff, but this is the best place to show you. Okay, I'm top rated seller. Anyway, I'm just get out of the 3 month this lockout of unsecurity 3 months. I just got the freedom. This was yesterday made. Okay, yesterday what? How much I made? 206, 2600. Right? Today 4300. Oh, it's a little bit too much. I can't do this. I have to stop not to grow up. If this will gonna grow up, I will be suspicious for eBay because what he is doing right now, they can start to dig really deep. You know, there is nothing to dig deep. It's just about 500 in what $500 in a day for sales. That's nothing. It's okay for it's just but more than 4,000 per day in sales. That's not okay. Well, that's a little bit suspicious here. What they were gonna do? Well, probably not, because I will gonna stop now. I will share with you how I will gonna stop. Because if I will not gonna stop, and if this will gonna keep growing tomorrow, there is a big chance they will gonna go deep. You know what's go deep? They were gonna go deep with me. They were gonna see where I am. So what they will find out, I am an international, right? Because I'm in Canada. So when I'm international and selling on US, they may ask me to provide some paperwork. Okay, which is I don't like that, all right, because I don't have any paper. I have to then to contact my buddies in states and ask them to cover my back and make all those fake papers, which is from the warehouse. Well, it's not fake, but actually it's a lot of hustle. I don't want to do this. Normally, this would be on a normal account. This is not dangerous. This 4,000, it's kind of like, oh, yeah, it's all right. It's cool because I have been selling from 4 till 6,000 per day in this level here, but not in this account. It's with monopoly method. When we go with monopoly method, when we outsource with monopoly method, okay? That's another story. I'm not ready yet for this. I'm just started here, you know. I made a great portfolio. I put some items here now because ready to list from 1st September, 3 months over, and it goes. But I was like, well, you know, this is COVID season. Nobody, no human body, no alien don't know what's happening now or what will gonna happen now. Started from Labor Day and and so on, so on, so on. It will gonna be crazy year. This year will gonna be crazy year. I even not able, incapable to predict what will gonna happen exactly because I was not expecting so much on a new account. I was thinking something about 2,000, yeah, 2,000 to 2,500, something like that, and I hoped I will gonna keep this one, but the sales went crazy. The sales went crazy. So no, guys, for somebody, promoted listings, look, no promoted listings. I told you already yesterday, stay away from promoted listings, okay? Now, as this keep growing up, I am putting my account on danger. I have to slow down the sales just to come. In other words, to say eBay, hey eBay, wait, calm down. It's okay. Don't worry. I'm okay. Okay, don't worry. Don't stress. Go somewhere else. Check somebody else. Okay, not me. I'm okay. So tomorrow I will do purposely that sales will gonna go down. Not much, but at least we're not gonna go up because I still have to. Was there? On this side or on the, I'm just checking. No, not on this side. Okay, there was more than 30 shippings I have to do, ship item shipped. Anyway, the price went up, and this is the how do I stop the sales? It's very easy. Okay, I don't know if you need to apply this for well, probably you can apply this only if you are running out of stock or something like this. The simplest way to stop the sales is to raise the price. Okay, let's say if I'm selling something for 159 bucks, okay, which I do, 159 bucks, and I will gonna revise the price to 359. Okay, from 159 to 359. Of course, nobody will gonna buy it. Okay, but I have to do it, and I can do this because there is some best-selling items I put it out there, and they are selling as a crazy good. But I have to regulate, I have to manipulate the price there. Otherwise, I'm gonna be in a big trouble with my account, which I don't want to do this. I started very good. This was hard job here to manage all this, to be patient all here, and then first day and then second day. Oh, baby, this is a little bit too high. Slow down, okay? So that's the deal, guys. And I just wanted to give you this warning here and to explain how it is. If somebody, some human being on this earth through YouTube or whatever 5,000 word course is telling you that you can jump on an eBay and make thousands and thousands of dollars in the first month, okay? Take the 6-pack of the eggs or all 12-pack of the eggs and throw it into his face because it's not true. You cannot do this. You will gonna be suspended 100% without any possibility not to be suspended. I have been doing this already since 2014, have been suspended twice for the same stupid mistake to making such a spikes, okay? No way, I will not gonna put my feet on that path again now here. So I will be much careful, much more smarter. Okay, so that's why I took this video, just to give you, because in the morning I took the video, it was somewhere here a little bit, now here, but now when I came home at evening, now you can see, I can show you my screen for those who wonder. Here it is. What time is it now? Come on, computer, where you are? Here you are. Okay, so now it's 8 p.m. 8:20 p.m. Okay, 4th September. Okay, Friday. So probably some small sales were gonna happen, well, very little maybe, because I'm in the West Coast. So there is a lot of Fridays are actually not the best selling days anyway, but this is out of order, I would say a little bit. I have to take control immediately. Okay, so that's the deal, guys, and well, if you want to do something like this, you have to go through this. Everything is in 799. Link is below this video. Take it, practice it step by step, day by day. You don't have to think a lot there, because I put everything what you need inside that 799. That's a unique, up to date how to do the dropshipping now. Manual dropshipping with no paid tools, no promoted listings, nothing to pay. You just do manual dropshipping with the certain products for certain price in a certain way. All right. Okay. Hopefully, I have a long night now, because I have to ship a lot of items and make some corrections in my account. Otherwise, see you in the next video. Okay. Take care. Bye bye.